2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, sugar, and stir in the flour.
Just plain flour?
Plain flour. This will give it some depth. And then we'll put this in here. And very uncomplicated. Matthew's like this dessert. And
Matthew's looking rather jealously on from the sidelines.
Yeah, and here we are. Any old dish will do. And butter it. Straight in with the blueberries. If you have, chef tip.
Yep.
If you have any bubbles on top of the custard or the batter, just take a ladle or a spoon and take them off. It's rather like making a creme caramel. You don't want a horrible, frothy, dried-up skin when you've cooked it. It all has to be fairly smooth and slightly souffled.
So this prevents the skin forming?
Yeah, well, it goes up and all the bubbles cook and it's a horrible skin, and I hate anything that's got an egg base with a horrible skin on it.
Custard and that sort of thing.
Yeah, it's horrible. So take that off.
Lovely.
Discard that, and then pour in. Okay.
That's it. I mean, again, as usual, you make everything so easy.
Really easy. Straight into the oven, 190 degrees. It takes about 20 minutes.
Okay, so 20 minutes.
John, most chefs normally rest their batter. Would you do this with a Clafoutis batter?
Absolutely not. There's no need to do that at all. As I said, the only thing you have to do, lots of chefs make things complicated, but all you have to do is whip it up. If you're going to get air bubbles, just take those air bubbles off. It's the same thing that applies to a creme caramel or anything like that. If you want a completely smooth texture, don't have any air bubbles in it, so take them off, and then whack, and off you go.
Is it possible to make a savoury clafoutis or vegetable clafoutis, I mean, an unsweet clafoutis?
I suppose so. The principle's the same, isn't it? You substitute a little bit of salt and take out the sugar. I've always associated anything that's clafoutis-ish with sugar, but, I mean, what's a quiche?
Well, it's a quiche. Well, it's a tart with a custard in the middle, but it's not a pancake mix. It's just a clafoutis.
No, that's thickened. You see, but the traditional clafoutis, wasn't it? A tart, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Lined in pastry,
Was
and
it?
then then poured with the custard.
Oh, I see.
The cherries. I think the dish originated in Set, didn't it?
Yeah.
Where they used to produce the best cherries in the universe, you know, on the border of Spain.
That's right.
And there used to be a cherry train, and that dish was invented because of the beautiful cherries.